Hello once again, my name is Emil and welcome to another XHTML tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to be using the legend, the field set and the input type radio for different things. First thing I want to do is to make some input type equals to radio, and the name I'm going to give it programmer. We're just going to make a small list where you can and actually I'm going to give it a header first. Gonna be like what your profession, right? Alright, so we should add a line break here. So the name is equals to programmer, and the value should be programmer probably. Alright, so we made a input type. Well, we can just go ahead and look how it looks. So as you can see, we have a button where there's no things outside. So we should probably go ahead and add something. So we're, as you saw in the last tutorial, we're going to use the label tag for, and I'm gonna say this programmer, and I'm gonna be like, yeah, inside here is the value programmer. Right, so if we go ahead and look, looks pretty fine. Everything looks nice and good. So go ahead and make a line break actually, cause that was probably look nice. So go ahead and copy this whole thing actually, so we can paste it and make a little and modify it a little bit. That's gonna be web designer. We're just gonna get some quick examples. Web designer and designer. We're gonna be like that as well. Yeah, web designer. I wanna make that big. I always do that. You don't need to, but I think it's a nice way to keep order on it. So basically, just go ahead and see what we got on the Chrome. What we want to do. Chrome is not for this, right? So it looks all in all very good. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this break in the line. Oh yeah, that looks more good. So what I basically wanna do is I wanna make a little list here. And actually, let's see what happens if we don't add our line break. Basically, it stays on the same line, so we don't like that. We want to add a line break in between our choice we can make for the user. And this one is going to be woodcutter. That's a good profession, or it's not, or I guess it is. But I'm just happy I'm not a woodcutter, honestly. Go ahead and add woodcutter here. Alright, like that. So now we have a few choices the user can make. So let's get ahead and see what happens. So now we've made a little list. So that's not what the big thing is. I just want to give a quick example again. Now what I want to show you here is how you can make very nice stuff using the field set. And we're gonna make the field set. So add the border and make a legend, which is the header. And I'm gonna make this like H2 actually, so you can use a normal header inside. I'm gonna be like a background. Sounds pretty reasonable. So let's go ahead and look what it looks like. So you can see it now looks pretty nice. So inside your field set, you can go ahead and add regular things. You can add a paragraph, and you can go ahead and type in a profession is like something. I'm gonna go ahead and add here. You work as and is educated like. And that's a very buggy sentence. So I like it. So let's go ahead and run and see if it works. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. There's nothing there, so you can just go ahead and do that. So basically that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.